Today, we're diving into SendPulse, an all-in-one email marketing platform that also offers SMS marketing, chatbots, and automation tools. If you're looking for a marketing solution to streamline your customer outreach, this might be a platform worth considering. But is it really as powerful and user-friendly as it claims? Let's find out. After logging in, the dashboard presents a clean interface with several marketing tools at your disposal. The primary focus here is email campaigns, but SendPulse goes beyond that by integrating SMS messaging, chatbots for platforms like Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp, and even web push notifications. This multi-channel approach makes it stand out from some competitors. Creating an email campaign is straightforward. You can choose from various pre-designed templates, or create your own using the drag-and-drop editor. The templates are modern, but customization options feel slightly limited compared to more advanced email builders, like MailChimp or ConvertKit. However, the automation features are quite robust. You can set up automated email sequences based on user behavior, which is great for businesses looking to nurture leads without manually sending follow-ups. One of the highlights of SendPulse is its AI-powered segmentation. The platform can analyze subscriber behavior and engagement to help you target the right audience more effectively. This is particularly useful for e-commerce stores and businesses relying on personalized email marketing. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered GiveMeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. Moving on to SMS marketing. SendPulse allows you to send bulk messages to customers, which can be a powerful tool for promotions and alerts. The chatbot builder is another unique feature, enabling businesses to automate responses on messaging platforms. While this functionality is useful, the chatbot interface isn't as intuitive as dedicated chatbot platforms like ManyChat. Now, let's talk pricing. SendPulse offers a free plan, which includes up to 500 subscribers and 15,000 emails per month. However, if you want advanced automation and premium templates, you'll need a paid plan. Pricing is competitive, but depending on your needs, you might find better value in alternatives like GetResponse or ActiveCampaign. Customer support is a mixed bag. While SendPulse offers live chat and email support, response times can be slow during peak hours. Some users report difficulty in resolving technical issues quickly, which can be frustrating if you're running time-sensitive campaigns. Overall, SendPulse is a solid option for businesses that need an affordable multi-channel marketing platform. The automation tools are strong, and the AI-powered segmentation is a standout feature. However, if you need highly customizable email templates or more advanced chatbot functionalities, you may want to explore other options. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more honest reviews on digital marketing tools. Let me know in the comments if you've used SendPulse and what your experience was like.